Okay, this is uh, this is Chat GPT ad creator bot. So what this bot doing? Okay, so you will put any idea about you want to create a Facebook ad about chatbot services. We will test this one now, and it will give you the content from ChatGPT API. So I'll get started. Welcome to our page. This is what, so you can see the sample. Write a creative ad for following product to run on Facebook, aimed at parents. Product is learning rooms, whatever. Okay, if you want to see how the API will answer for this sample, you will find this. So I'm okay, I need to test it. So I click on start now. I will write here, write and add, advertise, content for chatbot services platform running on Facebook. And that's all. I'll wait and the answer will come. Sometimes takes some time from the API itself. Yes. So the ad text introduced a new and improved service platform now running Facebook on Facebook. Our platform makes it easier for you, whatever you can check whatever topic you need, but this one is subscription based. Okay, it's not from my side. It will be I will sell it as a chatbot template, but from the API backend it's subscription. You have limit rate, and then it will be subscription from ChatGPT or even from the API that itself. That's all.